Hey, what's going on, guys? Today I'm here to show you how to revert to the classic Windows 10 start menu. So as you can see, we have this kind of wonky, weird menu where it just shows tiles and you have to navigate the buttons on the left hand side to view all your apps. But we're going to get it to the classic style where it's just tiled on the left hand side. To do so, just right click the start button, go to settings. From there, go to personalization, click on the start button, and what you want to do, with the exception of show app list in the start menu, is disable all the other buttons. And it's automatically saved. Once you switch to the off position, go ahead and close that out. And when we show our start menu, it should be the classic view. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to my channel.